Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back some apps uninstalled in Android phone. Apps can get deleted accidentally, corrupted due to malware, tossed out by a device reset or factory reset, or errors occurring while transferring data between two devices. These are common issues, so don't feel singled out. Getting your apps back couldn't be simpler. It only takes a minute or two. Here's how you do it. Launch the Google Play Store app. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen and open your Google account menu. Tap the circle to enter your Google account menu. Then tap Manage Apps and Device, which will take you to the Overview menu. Tap Manage at the top left of the screen. This will give you a list of apps currently installed on your device. Then locate your lost app and tap it. This will open the app's Play Store page where it can be reinstalled normally. And if you want to reinstall multiple apps on the list at once, there are checkboxes for every app. Tap on one to select it. Then tap the downward pointing around icon at the top right of the screen to start reinstalling the selected apps. And don't panic. One fun thing about this process is seeing a long list of great classic apps that you've downloaded in the past. A nice impromptu trip down memory lane. You find this instruction handy, and we hope they will help you recover what you lost. The Play Store will always keep records of what you've downloaded and installed, so there's no need to stress about Google changing things around. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.